Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, September 22, 2024. Today's video is about Boeing Crew Flight Test. Boeing Crew Flight Test was the first crewed mission of the Boeing Starliner capsule. Launched on the 5th of June 2024, the mission flew a crew of two NASA astronauts, Barry E. Wilmore and Sunita Williams, from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station to the International Space Station. The mission was intended to last 8 days, ending on the 14th of June with a landing in the American Southwest. However, the capsule's thrusters malfunctioned as Starliner approached the ISS. After more than 2 months of investigation, NASA decided it was too risky to return Wilmore and Williams to Earth aboard Starliner. Instead, the Boeing spacecraft returned uncrewed on the 7th of September 2024, and the astronauts will ride down on the SpaceX Crew-9 spacecraft in February 2025. This photograph shows the Crew Flight Test launch, with capsule Calypso atop an Atlas V rocket. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.